Hey everyone, today we're going to do some more work with fractions. But first we're going to take a quick listen to some of our favorite songs. Did you know that you could find fractions throughout all of these songs? Here are some notes that are taken from these songs. In music, we have something called a time signature. Does it look familiar? It even kind of looks like a fraction. Time signature tells us how many beats are allowed to be in a measure and what kind of note equals one beat. Today we're looking at 4/4 time signature. This means that you can have no more than 4 beats in a measure. But which note equals the beat? That 4 on top means that a quarter note equals 1 beat. This is what a quarter of something looks like when you're talking about fractions in everyday life. And this is what a quarter note looks like when you're talking about music. Now the Black Eyed Peas are writing I Got a Feeling. They want to use nothing but quarter notes at the start of the song. How many quarter notes can they have in each measure? If one quarter note equals 1/4, then we can put 4 quarter notes in a measure. And here's how it sounds. So we have a quarter note that equals 1 beat. Here's a half note equals 2 beats. Just like the quarter note, you can compare it to other halves that we use in everyday life. Now if 2/4 equals 1/2, then 2 quarter notes equals 1/2 note. This means you only need 2 half notes to fill a whole measure. Hey, do you recognize this song? You can see here in the music from the Star Wars theme that the 2 quarter notes equal 1/2 note. Now how many halves make a whole? 2. In music, 2 quarter notes equal a whole note, which looks like this. One whole note gets 4 beats because it takes up a whole measure. Here's a song you might recognize that uses almost all whole notes. It's called Canon in D. Who would have guessed that there was so much math in music? There's even more than we talked about. There are notes even smaller than quarter notes, and all these notes combine to create your favorite songs.
Reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark.